Hello guys, in this lesson we are going to use the formula COUNTIFS and AVERAGEIFS. In the previous lessons we have seen the uses of COUNTIF and AVERAGEIF. In this lessons we are going to use this COUNTIFS IFS and AVERAGEIFS IFS. The difference between these two formula is that here we are checking or we are using only one condition, that is called Villepale, residence of Villepale. And here what we are going to see, we are going to use the multiple conditions. One is total residents named Villepale, total resident named George. George is here in A column, that is called residence name, and Villepale is there in location column. Similarly, this is the case here. We are going to use also multiple condition. Average age of resident named Rian. Rian is the persons and location is Villepale. Two conditions we are going to check, and average age also we are going to see. So we can start by writing this equal to, we can use here equal to, this is COUNTIFS IFS. So here resident we have to check here first. Select the range, shift control down arrow, comma, then what is the name here? The name is George. Okay, comma George within double quote, George, then comma, then in Villepale is there here in this location. Okay, then comma, then we can write Villepale. So within double quote, okay, bracket close, we have got. So 10 people are there named George in Villepale. Okay, so here this one you can try at your own end. And here average ifs. Average is ifs, that means we are having here multiple conditions and we are going to calculate the average age of resident named Rian. There are many people who are having this name called Rian in Villepale, and we are going to calculate the average age equal to, so equal to average ifs IFS. We have to see because we are taking multiple conditions, average range. So this is the average age first. We'll see average age, comma, then what is the first conditions? First conditions will take as residence. Residence, this is residence. Okay, shift control down arrow, comma. Okay, so here we can write because we are going to find people named Rian from Villepale. Okay, so then we have to find the name of the person called Rian. Rian is here in resident name column. This is the range, comma. Okay, we can write within double quote, end, bracket close. So this is the average age we have found. Okay, there is only one difference we are finding here. Here we are getting condition one, only one conditions. Here we have the multiple conditions. Okay, similarly this is, you can take it as assignment. You can calculate for Bandra the total number of total resident named George in Bandra and average age of resident named Rian in Andheri. That's for the lesson. See you in the next one. Thank you.